Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today we are playing Super Bomb Survival. Yeah, so basically, well, there's intensity of rounds. Next round intensity will be 1.4. I think the mildest is 0.1. But then again, it can be really very intense. So what you need to do is survive as long as you can. Okay, so what you do is, while voting, you jump on a pad.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's play. Okay, so my superpower is a zapper. It's like literally that. Did I get anyone unlucky with this? Okay, I'm gonna look for his money. Where is their money? Where is money? Money falls from the sky. Where is money? Throw bomb. Ouch.
Well, hey, you're in luck, because I just happen to be a scarer. I learned everything I know from my school, Monsters University. It's the best scary school there is. No way. It's the best. Okay, you guys watch us and tell me which school's the best, all right? Ooh, right there. Don't cross over that safety line.
The boomboxes do something.
Yeah, right there. Let's see that beatbox. See that beatbox go. Now, where should I launch this? You are vulnerable. What?
I am vulnerable.
Now you're down there. Congratulations. Help me get out. Okay, so I survived that round. Nice. Somebody was in my way. Check my boink. Which one do I want to equip? I think I'll choose Speckle. Okay, now it's time to... I think I chose this. This is glass houses, right? Okay, 2.7. The intensity is right there. Coin. My coin. Yay, it wasn't a fake. Oh, shock mine. Stay away from the shock mine. It's not mine. Smells like my mom got a pot pie. Okay. Let me. There we go. Oh, coin, money bag bomb. No, money. Give me all the money. Give me all that money that fell out of bomb. Like, money bag bombs are the best bombs for money. Silver coin. Yep. Fake. We were standing on it and it wasn't doing anything. Oh, air raid nuke. Look at it. Air raid nuke. Gotta go. After I get that coin, of course. Wait, is that?
Well, everyone, I don't mean to get emotional. Everything in my life has led to this moment. Let it not be just the beginning of my dream, but the beginning of all of our dreams. Travis, promise me you'll keep auditioning. Louis, Mr. Wright is out there somewhere. Hell, keep using the ointment to let him go again. I wish you all the
Dodge bomb survive.
I'm welling up with tears. Now get off.
Ouch. Ooh. Now I need that silver coin. Give me that silver coin. Yes! I got the silver coin. I died, but I got the silver coin.
I just died. It's like I died.
I want a bridged bridge. I didn't mean to do that. David, choose a bridged bridge skills.
David, I thought Tim said to do this. Right?
Yeah, I wanted that.
3. Oh, there's an underwater part.
first thing on my list. Get rich.
Hey there, freshman. I'm JDRA, and I'm here to say that freshman
Whoa.
is that way.
Okay, Jay.
Have a great first day. Hey, I'm Kay. Here's your orientation packet.
Thanks, Kay.
You can drop your bags up here and get some pictures taken with Trey. Say hooray! Hooray!
I'm officially a college student.
Okay, everyone. I'm Kay, and I'll be giving you your orientation tour on this perfect.
Is it okay to be on the floor?
Oh,
Yeah, you just don't want to touch lava and you don't want to die.
Mommy. Hold on, where are you? Oh, right behind him. Mommy, come get this coin. It's a silver one. Ah!
Don't touch it. It's a fake.
No?
Don't touch it. It's a fake. See, look.
Come here, Mommy.
How do you know what lot?
Follow me.
I knew it was a fake, David. It was a fake. It was so a fake.
Oh. Hi, lots of bombs. Lots of bombs. Not going back. Ooh, there's a bomb following me.
Whoa! I didn't know that bombs could follow people.
I didn't know either until it started following me.
Here, just stay still.
Come on.
Just stay still. You'll be fine. Promise. Ow! Dead.
What's up with the pumpkin?
Don't know.
What's going on? I think a wall just fell on top of my head.
Sign up now.
Come join the improv club. You'll wish you were never always. Ah, dang.
allows you to use your special ability. Yeah, you have super jump. You can buy more skills.
Anything could happen.
A bunch of guys went to the hospital last year.
You could totally die.
And it's worth it. You get a chance to prove that you are the best.
They're watching Monsters University.
You know, your roommate is a scary major, too. Hello, I'm your roommate. Oh, that's too bad. Don't force it. Just let it happen. Your lifelong best friend right behind this door.
Oh, the countdown is
Hi,
how long
Lava.
until you're done.
Whichever bed you want. I want to do that first dip.
They give it away. Yeah, it's the glasses. They give it away.
Okay, I'm hang close. Now I just think the 8th grade classes graduate with honors and become the great.
Yay!
Boy, I wish I had your confidence, Mike. Aren't you even a little nervous?
Now,
I've been waiting.
it's time to do another round. Town. What town is this?
Cut out town.
Cut out town.
Why am I stuck? How do you get out? How do I get out of this
Use
box?
F. Or jump and then press F. And then get out.
Hello.
Go through the hole.
Watch this. It's magic. Here, come. Let's see what it does.
Ow.
Mommy.
I'm knocked off. Wow, that's a big bubble. What?
It's safety. Oh,
Inside the bubble?
what?
What is that thing?
A ball.
The bubble is safety. Yay! I can almost use the safety bubble again. Ow!
Ah!
I can almost use the safety bubble again. Let me guess, it's a fake. Yep, fake.
Guys, I am stuck.
You need help?
I don't know what to do.
I was on top of it.
How am I dying? I'm not even moving. There's nothing around. Oh, now I'm
Ah! I hit the lava. I died.
I'm alive. I'm alive still.
I'm not scared.
Oh no, I was hit by a blindness ball. Doesn't take away your. I can help, but it takes away most of this.
Terrifying faces joining my program.
Well, I'm sure my students love to hear a few words of inspiration.
Ah! I died.
Is the true maker of a monster. If you're not prepared, what kind of a monster are you? It's my job to make great students. Not make mediocre students. Less mediocre. That is why, at the end of the semester, there will be a final exam. Failed exam. And you are out of the STEM program.
Colorful cord.
I should hope you're all properly
Now what? Where's like the questions Q&A thing?
There are actually 5. Those include the roar's resonance, the duration of the roar, and the
Of the roar.
Sorry, I heard someone say roar, so I just kind of went for it. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Scary.
Okay.